Okay, and we separate them in 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. Do you remember, Jody, how it was?
A little bit.
And we make couples, one short, one long. The distance should be like 10 to 15 centimeters. And it's this is shitty. And I suggest to watch first and learn and then do it later. Because if you do it, you can't watch. Okay, 3 on each side. They overlap like 12-15 centimeters. And we do the same on top of this. We make like a hashtag. You could do it with 4 or 2 and 2 as well.
That was about 5, 5, 6, 6.
You can do it as well. It will. You will see.
Okay,
Have to try.
it depends of the length of the material.
Yeah. Okay, so this is not a nice one. Okay, it doesn't matter. The
Bring
size.
some one?
The size of the base is not dependent of how much they overlap, because I can make it bigger or smaller. So this is the starting hashtag. Next step is we have to tie the thin ones, the working twigs, sticks. And I usually make a knot, which is in German Kreuzknoten. In English it was medicinal. It's like tying the shoes, but twice. So I make like this. Maybe you know in English.
Yeah, but if you show me.
Ah, sorry.
We call it double slip knot.
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah. The good thing is that it's flat, but you can do any kind of knots. It's not so important. But that one is flat and it's nice. Then I tied it together. And then the funny part is starting. So I have the 2 of them in my right, the single one on my left. I step or I hold, when I do it on the table, I hold the upper part of my hashtag. And I put the knot just above. No, how do you say it? Under. Under and close to the beginning of the upper hashtag. Can you see this?
Yeah, I didn't quite see how you tied those 3 together, but don't worry about
Yeah,
that.
but maybe, yeah, okay. And I let them fall. Hey! Ruhe. And I cross them once again. Now I'm showing you my bump, I'm sorry.
It's not on the video.
It's not, no, but Joe can't really see. Okay, so this was the second step. I got kind of cross. Second step. Next one, I'm separating the pillars. I call this, I'm creating the sun. So after this exercise, some yoga exercise, I'm creating the sun. I start with the single one, which is on my right. It needs to go to the left. We are basically working clockwise, and I like to use my feet to hold this, but you can also do it on the table and then you use your hands. So I start with the single one. It goes to the left, goes under, one short, one long, and I keep it. Then I start with the next one. I will show you later once again and once again and once again. And the second one basically goes down where the previous one came out. So I don't know if you can see that this is the place where it came out. So I need to go down there and come out the next
And it went on
space.
top of them instead of under them.
It jumps over. It jumps
Okay.
over the pillars and it jumps over the working twigs. So I go over everything and go down where the last one came out. This was the first step of the weaving, which is different than the next ones. Now I have 3 twigs and 3 spaces in between the pillars. I always tend to put them through the middle of my base, and put them parallel, and they should show towards my body, because then I can see then this one is the left. I take the left one and it jumps over the two working ones, over two pillars, goes down where the last came out. I help a little bit to open the sun, and then up and down. No, down and up. Now this is the left one. I jump over everything, separate the next strahl, how do you say it?
Array.
Of the sun. And you know my body is now working automatically, so I continue doing it. But you can see I have 3. They are parallel, they shoot to my body. I take the left one, jump over everything, go down where the last came up. Okay, I turn this because this way the 3 working twigs, I can keep them parallel, showing towards my body, more or less. I have to organize the twigs a little bit. Okay, this is the left one. You see that I hold those ones with my feet or with my hand. This is the left one. We work clockwise. I jump over everything and go down where the last one came out. I will make the first round and then you can come here and try. Okay, I turn it.
It's quite important to keep the tension, yes?
Yeah.
All the time over there.
Yeah, it's not so much about the tension, but
Position.
the position, yeah. Ow. Okay, so the first round is finished. Kamil, would you mind to come here and continue?